How to remove the search bar that appears on your home screen, and this is for the Realme phone and Oppo phones, and possibly on OnePlus phones, as they all have basically the same software. And if you got the new update, you'll see this search bar here. You'll want to remove it. Here's how you can do it. So first things first, you want to long press a blank area on your home screen, and that'll give you these options right here. Once here now, you'll head over to the far right until you see more right there. And as you tap on that here, this will take you to the home screen settings. From here, go down and keep going down until you see the search box option. On your Oppo or OnePlus phone, it may look a little different, but you're looking for the search box or search bar. When you see it, you can tap on it, and this is going to take you to where you can turn it off. Or if you want, you can place it into another position, whether it's to the bottom or in an empty space on your home screen. You can also customize it on certain phones, but if you simply just want to turn it off, just press this right here. It's going to turn off. And then when you come back here now to the home screen, you'll see that it is no longer there. And that's that. Like and sub.